metal, if I was to make a guess, is probably about 1/8 of an inch thick. And looking at the depletion rate on it, I'd have to say at least 30% depletion due to rust, barnacles, and other environmental destruction upon it. Alright, as you can see, we cut roughly around a 4-foot piece. We started from the bottom, worked our way to the top. Had no problems. We didn't even have to swipe on it twice. We engaged the blade cut with no problem. Seems to do very well. As for now, they do not want to try the 24, where they plan to cut off the top packages first, which could take up to 2 months, and then they'll proceed with the bottom package, which will in turn be using the 24. The 24 has a blade in it. However, we're not quite sure if we can use the flat blade in it. I'd asked them if we could do another test, but that was a no-go. They're under a strict schedule. They have to work around the clock to get the top packages due to environmental, because they're making a artificial reef, so they are on a schedule and they have to be on the same schedule as the environmentalists. I don't know if it's NOAA or whoever they are, but the ones that approve and set the pieces in the water. So our timeline was gone. However, I'm fairly confident that with a flat blade, we should be able to make the distance with a piece of bar welded straight into the gate. Let me show you some of how it's cutting on the gate. As you can see the line, then the pocket, then the line. And to be quite honest, if I look at them piles, and piles are pretty weak and old, and really didn't stand much of a chance. So I'm going to take some measurements, double check, make sure that with that bar in there and with the blade in there, it's going to make the distance. It's going to be able to, that pile will fit inside the mouth of the cutter before I leave out of here. Alright, from all of us at Prime Marine, we thank you for your time. Hope to do business in the future.